For a front-end developer, you need to have some JavaScript skills, as we had said. You need HTML, you need CSS, and you need to have JavaScript. Now, JavaScript is basically to help you animate some things. It will help you to be able to do some dynamic activities on your website so that your website will not appear just so static. Now, that's the advantage of having HTML. Oh, sorry, JavaScript. Now, with JavaScript, all the basic stuff that we need to do is to be able to understand some basic commands. For example, how to get some documents, to pick some files out somewhere if I need to upload or download something. That can also be done with JavaScript. And then you also have some little codes like, now you need to understand some fundamental parts of JavaScript. One of them, you need to understand how to declare variables, declare constants. You need to understand how to set up functions, write functions, because it's the algorithm which you are going to use that will enable your JavaScript code to run faster or to be slower. Then you also need to know how to write loops. You have what we call the for loops, the while loops, and then you also have to know how you can write conditional statements. These are some of the very important things that needs to be learned, the basic things in JavaScript. And from there, you can go on to build some